Hi, good morning. I'm Preeti, and I attended a Nature's Connection workshop. I would recommend all of you to please come and attend such workshop. It really gives us insight how we can look deep into the nature and get the clarity of our daily routine cluttered life. So please come. I would recommend it will really help you to get the clarity how you can open your heart, get connected, and get different perspective to handle all the decisions in your life. Thank you.
My experience was really magnificent. It felt so healing to connect my feet to the earth, and it felt really comfortable and squishy. And I enjoyed tuning into nature with all of my senses. It was just a really beautiful experience and something I hadn't experienced in that way before. So I feel really grateful, and it is something I will continue to practice.
But I just want to share this very quickly that Anish, thank you so much for the stories actually, and the way you narrated them. And that has, that was such a lovely experience for this inner child, basically, because I love stories. And I don't remember when somebody narrated a story to me, because I read stories and read, and that experience of being narrated like that. So it was so wonderful for me, like amongst everything else that happened. Actually, there was so much that came up, and there was so much such a wonderful experience. Thank you, Vaishnavi, for that. And thank you, everybody. Thank you, Benita. I had great time chatting with you. And yeah, so but the inner child and the story, lovely. Thank you so much for that experience.
Yeah, I totally agree with Nishta. Thank you so much. It was such a lovely session. The stories were amazing. I love the way you explain them. I think we were all very immersed in the stories, and even the whole how we looked at the coconut sensorially, all the activities we did. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thanks, Vaishnavi. Thanks, Mandy.
I agree with Nishta and Namrata. In fact, in the first group that I was talking to Nishta, told her that it's been a long time. I heard stories. I think I heard stories during my childhood. And now hearing to a story, it was like, oh my God, I have only read stories, but hearing stories is a little different now. So, yeah, thank you, Anish. It was a rewarding experience, I think. I made a wise decision by attending this. Thank you so much.